Well, it's a personal reason. I have to take care of my health and take care of my family.
What happened nung papalit sa inyo?
The party list is still deliberating internally kung sino ang ipapalit, but rest assured, it will undergo process and capable ng papalit sa akin.
Sino po yung second nominee nyo?
Ang second nominee is George Alino. He is from Olongapo, but we're still waiting for the deliberations ng party namin.
Kung may rumor kasi na lumabas sa social media a few weeks ago na si Elmer Catulpos daw ang papalit, is this true or do you address any of these rumors?
That's also a possibility. We'll just wait for the party decision, but I trust yung party decision namin will be fair.
For context lang po, sino po si Elmer Catulpos sa party ninyo?
Siya po yung chairman ng party namin. Siya rin po ang main supporter po natin through Brigada.
So clarify lang po natin, there's nothing to do with the impeachment po ninyo.
Ay, wala po. Our vote po was just following the direction of the majority and yun po kasi yung party decision namin to follow the majority.
Kung hindi ba kayo na pressure na ano kasi you said na may health reasons daw. Baka naman po kayo na pressure po kayo or anything.
On my end, wala naman. It's really
Hindi kayo
personal
na pressure
reasons.
outside or inside forces or kasi may mga nag-aakusa sa inyo na baka nakatanggap daw kayo ng mga funds after you voted for the impeachment.
Well, to be honest, wala akong natanggap. I was absent yesterday when it was announced. So, as to the rumors that we received 20 million cash, that's fake news po. Wala po ako kahapon. I was in the Senate trying to observe the impeachment process.
No,
Oh, sorry, may I ask, what's with your health? You said po na you have to take care of your health.
I've been getting dizzy the past few months po. Maybe I think because I never stopped campaigning starting October of 2024. And even nakaupo po tayo, I think makikita naman natin sa social media post ko na I go to at least 2 provinces every week to ensure na we address the concerns of yung mga nagsuporta po sa amin.
Sir, so what you mentioned earlier, siya po ba yung owner ng party list?
Siya po yung, yes po, siya po yung chairman po ng ating party
Sir,
list.
yung yes vote ninyo on impeachment, was this consulted dun sa party list? Pareho po ba kayo ng position?
Yes po, there was an internal discussion po on what the vote will be and the party list decided to vote yes po for the impeachment. The main consideration po ng party list namin was to see what is the explanation and to see what really happened sa mga accusation po.
Kung galing ito katagal pinag-isipan, to nagkaroon po kayo ng hesitant na ituloy yung resignation.
Well, medyo torn, no? Kasi syempre, I have been working with NGOs and helping people since 2009. And mahirap, but at the same time, I have to take care of myself then in order to take care of other people.
Sir, clarification, yung sinabi ninyo na papalit sa inyo, is that the second nominee, not the second nominee?
Well, there's no decision yet. We're waiting for the party list to decide on who will really replace. As you know, 10 yung nominees doon and magde-deliberate sila kung sino ang nababagay na ipapalit po sa akin.
Bakit hindi yung second nominee, sir?
That I don't know pa kasi magde-deliberate pa lang sila. And we're just waiting for the deliberations.
So how do you address yung pong sinasabi na term sharing sa party list? Na nung nag-agree kayo dyan sa party ninyo, ay meron talagang term sharing. Ganun ba yung kalakaran?
Well, we didn't execute any document. For me, it's really a personal reason given my situation po na medyo kailangan ko magpahinga. And at the same time, my kids are growing up. 4 years old and 2 years old yung mga anak ko po. Medyo kailangan ko na po silang tutukan.
Sir, ano pong reaction ng partido nung nagpaalam po kayo sa kanila?
Well, they thanked me naman kasi we handled this, imagine from 2022, this party list was bottom 10 and then when we started to handle, we were able to get number 44 in terms of ranking. So they thanked me for whatever I've done and they're open naman daw to whatever help that I can give to them.
Kung di ba kayo nangihinayang dahil nga you're now nearing on your second year of your term and then you suddenly resign, then hindi ba kayo nangihinayang sa mga programs and projects ninyo, yung mga bills na final ninyo? Di ba kayo nangihinayang?
Well, when it comes to programs and policies, medyo. Pero actually, I've received several calls from fellow congressmen kanina na they are willing to continue yung mga bills na sinubmit ko. In fact, earlier may bill ako dapat for deliberation, yung Strategic Investment na Committee. So gusto ko sanang ipapush yun ng mga ibang kasama ko. I-highlight ko lang, no, very happy with the calls of Kong Nico Daza and Kong JC Abalos na gusto nilang ipatuloy yung mga programs and at the same time bills ko na unique for the Filipino people.
Correct me if I'm wrong, ilan sa mga sumuporta sa One Tahanan are
people who are allied with the Dutertes. I remember Bongo supported Juan Tahanan in the 2025 elections. Did he and other allies of the Dutertes get upset or frustrated with your vote to impeach the vice president?
Ako, wala akong personal engagement when it comes to their camp. But I can say that our supporters, specifically from Cebu and Mindanao, kasi Cebu we got 118,000 votes, and Mindanao almost 100,000. Then medyo frustrated sila. In fact, I've been getting several messages, PM, not only by people online, but also my real friends who really asked me what happened with my vote. So I had to explain.
Kung sorry,
Factor yun, sir. Factor yun sa pagdating.
Actually, hindi rin. Kasi as leaders, we have to stand by difficult decisions. Eh. And it's one of the things na inaccept ko naman when I decided to run for this position.
Kung kasi meron akong narinig kasi na yung mga ilang radio stations doon ng Brigada were solidly pro-Duterte. I mean, they were supportive of the Duterte. So, hindi ba to parang nakapekto rin sa yung decision to resign as lawmaker? Kasi parang hindi reflective doon sa ilang mga commentaries ng ilan sa mga estasyon ng Brigada.
Well, ako, to be honest, it's hard to monitor 51 stations nationwide. So, I'm not aware with their positions. But as you can see, Manila is very neutral kasi yun yung inaabangan ko. And I'm not sure with other areas.
Kung gaano po seryoso yung health condition ninyo para kinailangan mo pang mag-bitiw sa iyong posisyon?
Magpapacheck up pa lang ako kasi my family has a long history. So I have asthma, and at the same time, medyo mabilis ako mapagod with the past few months. So it's one of the things na gusto kong tutukan for the next few months.
Kung have you
Wala pang final medical assessment.
Wala pa po.
Kung you just have to want to protect yourself kasi nga medyo napapagod sa trabaho.
Yes po.
May ask ko rin ako.
Sir, yung chairman nyo, nasa top 10 nominees.
Nasa number 4 po.
Number 4 siya. So, kung sakali, aakyat siya para humalili sa inyo. For now, yun yung pulso ng party.
If the party decides na siya po, yes po, mauna siya sa dalawa ahead of him.
Have you talked to him, sir?
Yes po, and then as per our discussion, they will still deliberate po kung sino yung papalit po.
Sir, bakit number 4? Hindi number 2 and number 3?
Naku, wala pa po ang sinasabi kung sino yung papalit. It's just that we just have to wait for the party list decision po.
Kailangan mo ba yung decision ng Comelec yan? Yung pagpapalit ninyo?
I'll answerin kayo mamaya.
Kailangan ba ng decision ng Comelec yung pagpapalit ninyo ng nominee?
Yes po, since the House already declared a vacancy, it will be transmitted po sa COMELEC. And then COMELEC will examine if there is necessity to proclaim or not. If they proclaim, ipoproclaim nila yung next in line. Sorry, I forgot your question.
So yung 2 and 3 magre-resign, yung second and third nominee magre-resign if ever.
If the party list decides, yes po.
How's the next deliberation, sir? When po kayo mag-usap ng party?
I don't know the exact date, but it should be scheduled this week po.
How do you feel, sir, about all of this?
Well, medyo nangihinayang with all the work we've done, pero at the same time, I still believe na a lot of people will continue what I've done naman.
Nangihinayang kayo, sir, dahil
Ang dami ko pong gustong gawin pa eh, pero I mean, that's politics and that's public service. You really have to learn how to step back kasi once you commit yourself into power na gusto mo magstay there, then there's something wrong with you.
So, was resignation the only option? Can you just slow down? Can you just slow down and take it a bit easy as opposed
Or
to
baka maging committee de silencio?
your side?
Well, I really think I need to focus more on health and family and slowing down, knowing my personality, parang hindi ko matanggap na hindi ako nagtatrabaho ng todo. But by removing myself from this position, I'll be able to really focus on my family and myself.
This has nothing to do with the owner of the party list wanting to take the party list now.
Wala naman po.